गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू मिली मोहित्रा व्लॉग्स। मैं हूँ मिली और मैं आपसे मिल रही हूँ थोड़े दिनों बाद एंड आई हैव फॉर यू अ कलेक्टिव हॉल। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आ रही हूँ एक हॉल जो मेरे काफी दिनों से कलेक्ट हो रही है। इसमें है नायका पिंक सेल से कुछ सामान जो आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर दिस सेल क्योंकि मुझे बहुत आई प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए थे। तो दिस देन देयर इज सम स्टफ फ्रॉम मिनीसो जहां पे मैं गई थी फॉर सम शॉपिंग, ज्यादा तो नहीं बट जस्ट होम डेकोर एंड वन रियली एक्साइटिंग थिंग which you'll see soon. So मैं शुरू करती हूँ with the Nykaa Pink Sale. So total मेरा था 2024 rupees. मैं सारी चीजें of course लिंक कर दूंगी. A lot of this stuff which I'm going to show you is from Wet n Wild. तो बहुत कुछ Wet n Wild से है यहाँ पे and some really nice. I'll just give you a mini review of each as we go along. तो आपको पता चलता जाए कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है कौन सा नहीं, जो मैं ऑलरेडी यूज कर चुकी हूँ। ये है एक दिस इज लाइक रियली इंटरेस्टिंग। ये है फ्लैश कलर्ड पेंसिल। लेट मी जस्ट शो यू अ स्वॉच। तो ये है एक फ्लैश कलर्ड पेंसिल। दिस इज गुड फॉर अंडरनीथ द आईज, द लोअर रिम, तो जस्ट मेक योर आईज लुक लिटिल बिट बिग बिकॉज व्हाइट काफी स्टार्क लग सकता है। सो दिस इज रियली नाइस एंड ये मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल है। दिस इज फ्रॉम वेट एंड वाइल्ड एंड यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई दिस you know around like as around your as a nude lip liner or as a nude lipstick and you know top it with some lipsticks. So many things you can do with one single nude pencil. The one product is which I really didn't really like. ये है Maybelline का Lash Sensational Mascara. अब इसका जो है आपको पता है the thicker the wand, the fatter the eyelash, और इसका wand काफी पतला है. So not impressed with this product. इसको मंगाने की वजह थी कि Maybelline makes some of the best mascaras, लेकिन this guy was not so impressive. I won't recommend this. ये है the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara guys. तो save your money, you can just like you know skip this one. Okay, the next thing from Wet n Wild is really interesting. ये है retractable brow pencil. तो this is so cute. इसके एक तरफ आपको ये मिलता है. This is like this, you know, it's like a brow product. Like you know, आप ये it is an eyebrow product of course. और एक तरफ है ये. This is what this looks like. It's a short, square little thing. So you can just fill in your eyebrows and बाद में to give it a very natural effect, आप उसको just use this like a spoolie. Oh God, use this like a spoolie. So that was that. And what more? Another Maybelline Lasting Drama Eye Pencil. Nothing great there. Okay, this is a product I was like really excited for. ये है NYX का Tinted Brow Mascara. Now ये ऐसी चीज है I have not used anything like this before. So I was like really excited and luckily इसका color भी काफी natural है. Very black. I don't like very black brows because वो काफी you know they look very I don't know artificial. So ये बहुत ही cute और बहुत ही interesting and I have used this. Thumbs up. This is a good product. ये मुझे सेल में कितने का मिला था? इसका रियल it is for $600 and I don't know how much I got it for the sale. Of course I'll be linking them all down, तो आप देखते जाइए. The next tinted brow mascara is like this. This is what it looks like. एक छोटा सा mascara की तरह एक, of course since it's a mascara it will have a brush like that and this is very thin. I actually would have liked this to be a bit more thinner so you can get more you know आप ज्यादा maneuver कर सकते हैं इसको. अगर ज्यादा पतला होगा so it will work better you know it's easy to maneuver. लेकिन फिर भी ये this was a good product. ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. The next tinted brow mascara, it's so different rather than filling in it with pencils and brow powders, like a good one. और I think इसकी staying powder भी काफी अच्छी है. Okay, the next last thing from the Nykaa Pink Sale is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. So this is what this looks like. ये मैंने this is my first purchase from I mean the first brow product इस type का from Nykaa. Last time मैंने जो लिया था was from Sephora for $3,000 and I don't know what is so great about it. Any which ways, तो ये है. This is what it looks like. It comes with such a cute pair of tweezers और एक छोटा सा brush. A छोटा pair of tweezers and a little brush and it has these three colors, जो dark brown, a very natural light brown and of course I think this is wax. Think yeah, it is wax. So this will just आप अपने brows को you know it, how it works. Just keep it in shape. So that was that. Now I'm going to quickly move on to Miniso. अच्छा, इसमें मैंने इस बार थोड़े होम डेकोर प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा लाए हैं. I really was looking forward to these candles. तो मैंने बहुत सुन रखा है इन कैंडल्स के बारे में. Oh, I'll keep the bag down for the moment. तो ये है a scented candle. It is like big and huge. ये एक और कैंडल है which I hope I don't know if you can see it. It's burning right behind me. वो भी मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी. That is not from Miniso. That is from the mall. तो वो West Side Plus से है. This is what this candle looks like. Oh God, the smell is heavenly. इसको मैंने जलाया नहीं अब तक so it is like a huge heavy little cup. And definitely एक टिप मैं जरूर दूंगी is to not throw these away. इनको reuse किया जा सकता है. Again आप इसका दोबारा से कैंडल बना सकते हैं, या you can use it as a little flower vase. There's so many things. Use it to keep your makeup brushes, your makeup blenders. So this smells like heaven. Wow. If you know me, अगर आप थोड़े भी पुराने OG हो तो you know that I love perfumes. So I also ended up getting a very very expensive 2 perfumes, so which I'm not including in this haul. So this is the candle. The other one there, इन दोनों के मैं आपको close-ups दे दूंगी. So continuing with the Miniso haul, before we jump into that, ये एक stray product है from Sephora. So this is just an orchid sleeping mask. It's a small little thing, लेकिन I think it should be very nice. बहुत छोटी सी चीज है, so I just picked this up from Sephora. From Miniso, I next brought a very affordable perfume. तो अगर आपको पता है कि मैं तो perfume fanatic हूँ, and every time perfumes are, it is like a very expensive affair. आप हर बार it's like not really. तो I'll be just unboxing this right आपके साथ, and we just check this out कि ये है कैसी. Let me just see. This is a classic Royal Baron Eau de Parfum. ये UD जो होता है ना, it's always better to get perfume than toilet because वो जल्दी उड़ जाता है. So let's just see इसकी खुशबू. Oh, nice. It's like really fresh. Oh guys, she was right. The जो sales girl थी, she told me that this is one of the most fastest selling products, and I can see why. अभी ये देखना बचा है कि इसका staying power कैसा है. छोटे मोटे updates मैं आपको देती रहती हूँ Instagram पे, and इसका भी दूंगी. The next is a very silly little thing. You know, like this is just like a purse का it's like a purse में रखने के लिए. A brush cum little comb, so it's cute if you're traveling on the way. Okay, the last thing जो मैं Miniso से लाई हूँ, I have the receipts over here, so I'll have all the prices. आपको पता है Miniso does not have a website as yet, so I'll have this. And the Miniso in Mumbai now stocks makeup, तो जो आपने शायद देखा होगा. So this is a very interesting product. ये क्या है? Cotton mild cleansing foam. So this is a very cute cleansing foam. ये देखिए ऐसा है ये. This is just, and it is pretty thick. Because the first time इसकी consistency जो है cream जैसी है, you can see. So I have seen one thing that these Asian products जो होते हैं ना, I don't know, Miniso, most of it is made in China. ये भी आपको पता होगा शायद. Most of this is made in China, शायद आपको ये भी पता हो, but the products work really really well. So ये एक छोटा सा haul था Miniso. That was all for that. And one really exciting thing, ये है एक लहंगा. Okay, so guys, this is something I am like happy and sad. Happy because ये इतना beautiful लहंगा है. I like the color. This I got from the streets. ये दिवाली फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे there were some ladies selling this on the streets. Just look at this. The fabric is bloody beautiful. आपको मैं दिखा, I think definitely you can clearly see it. The color is a very muted dark grey किस्म का color है. It's got these very nice pure gold की, you know, burnished gold की ये print है इस पे, and it is a very nice heavy, मतलब ये काफी पहनने के बाद इतना beautiful है. The bottom has these cute beads जो आप देख सकते हो. This was for $700. I kid you not. उन्होंने they were of course having a huge bargain going on. ये मैं एक ही इसलिए ले पाई कि there were women जिन्होंने एक female ने literally 5-5, 6-6 ले लिए थे. There are these women who come. I don't know आप किस सिटी में, जिस भी सिटी में रहते हो, let me know in the comments down below. It's so interesting. So at the time of festivals, these people in Mumbai, they come to these big marketplaces. They sell it on the streets. ये सोर्स करते हैं इसको डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम सूरत, फ्रॉम गुजरात, एंड दे आर सेलिंग दिस. इन्होंने 1500 से शुरू किया, मैं इसको 700 तक बार्गेन करके ले पाया, बट देयर वर वुमेन हु हैव बॉट इट फॉर एज लेस एज 500, 600. There was a lady who literally उसने 6 या 7 खरीद लिए थे, so there was like nothing left for the rest of us. So I just could snag this अकेला, and trust me, I am super happy. But I am very sad कि मैंने ये पहले कभी नहीं आया है, ये first time हुआ that I've seen this there. These $700 का लहंगास are what 100% you will get on Amazon for 3,000, 4,000. I kid you not. तो definitely in future अगर ये आती हैं तो I will give you a heads up. हो सकता है मैं live जाके आपको ये heads up दे दूं कि ये लोग जब आएंगे. So if you are staying anywhere near Mumbai, or if anything can be worked out for you guys, it would be awesome. I would love all of you guys to have $700, dude. Like what else do you want? Life is made. So ये वाला haul यही खत्म करती हूँ मैं, and there will be one more haul, वो भी collective है, from Goa. I have bought some really nice things from the night market, जो मैं अलग haul में share करूंगी. उसका वो haul का जो temperament है वो काफी अलग है. सो आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस हॉल। सारी कुछ लिंक्स आपको नीचे मिलेंगी। ये निक्स की लिपस्टिक है। आई नो सम ऑफ यू always want to know and I always forget. I'm sorry. तो मैं इसको भी लिंक कर दूंगी। एंड दैट वाज इट फॉर दिस हॉल। डेफिनेटली लाइक कर दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड शेयर भी कर दीजिए। सो आई सी यू गाइस सून इन माय नेक्स्ट वन। बाय।